Video for reminder for myself. Now running inside sandbox. If you are like me having space issue, follow this step to solve. The THE are all far apart, as you can see in the output fonts. To auto-align all letters near to each other, you just need to adjust here. Click Edit and go down below, click Select, and on the right, click Select All. Next, click Metrics and select Auto Width. Change the min and max value to 40 and 80. After this, all vectors are shifted to size specified 60 away from the starting point. If you worry about the picture misaligned, you have to redo your picture to specify average width 500 to 600 px and big letters 600 to 650 px. Margin will be 50 to be the same as auto width. Just nice and apply finish. I can click File now to save it. Also, to mention height of picture is 800 for big letters and 600 for small letters. You need to set baseline of 200 from 0 px for all, and ascend height for B, D, H, I, as these are taller, below 200 for G, J, P, Q, Y as their tail. To be able to get the real picture that's scanned with texture, I do not know how yet. An event my calligraphy pen does not have that effect. Okay, another reminder for my web fonts. It is need to select Options and Native Kern turn on. That's all, thanks for watching.